Welcome to the HEXIS booth at SEMA 2025. We're excited to have you with us. We're showcasing some of our new products and technology coming to the market soon. I'll be handing the mic off to our CEO, Verada, for a full in-depth booth tour.
Welcome to SEMA 2025. We are here in the HEXIS booth here in the Aston Martin Vantage. We've wrapped it to showcase our brand new color PPF series called Candy Fence. This color right here is a one-off, so you won't see this on the market, but this just to show you and give you a teaser of what's to come. You will see about 10 to 15 new colors. Moving on behind me, this half of the booth is the body fence paint protection film section. Here on the GT3 RS, we're showcasing and demoing a few different products from our body fence series. You have your black gloss, black matte, new CF001 Candy Fence carbon fiber, very realistic. You also have BF Shield, our TPU windshield protection film. You've also got the classic Body Fence X.
Today we are demonstrating Body Fence Fast. So the main reasons why anybody would realistically want to use Body Fence Fast, hence the name, is it creates a faster install. So it still maintains all the same amazing qualities that Body Fence X has: hydrophobic top coat, optically clear, self-healing top coat, and a lifetime warranty. The only difference is a little bit more flexibility for a faster install, but also a more aggressive adhesive so that you can do your finish work a lot faster. So rinse it, wrap those edges, and trim them out. Just real quick, fast. For those installers who either they're doing high volume shops, they want to do high quality, they want to make sure that all their edges are wrapped, this is a great product that carries all the exact same benefits as Body Fence X, and this gives you a much quicker finishing time because of that more aggressive adhesive. Not saying Body Fence X doesn't have aggressive adhesive, this is just more aggressive. And honestly, nothing's more impressive than getting this completely wet in front of you guys and being able to just fully wrap that hood edge in just one go.
This is our windshield protection film called Pro 2 Shield. It's a new multi-layer tear-off for motorsports and off-road use. Polyester shrinks like window tint and applies optically clear. Here we have our table of marketing supplies and marketing tools that you can have in your showroom. You can take to local events to promote your products and services. We've got the Body Fence LED sign, nice and bright, good quality. You also have a mini windshield that has the windshield protection film on it. You've got the Nano Serum, which is our ceramic coating specifically designed and made for Body Fence paint protection film, as well as skin tack vinyl wrap film. It does pair well, and it has gone through R&D with our products to maintain the warranty. We have the Body Fence rock machine to mimic rock chips and protecting against rock chips. This corner over here, we've got our certified installer showcasing our BF Shield. Again, this is a TPU product, no heat shrink required, up to 1 year durability, resistant against windshield wipers and rock chips. Very optically clear, very easy to install. Installs in 10 minutes or less, high profits, very easy upsell, great for protecting your windshields that could cost you $5,000 to $7,000. And swinging back over to the Aston Martin Vantage, I want to showcase two notable products that you're going to see here. This is the 4-layer Pro 4 Shield. It's a polyester film, 4-layer tear off as you see in motorsports and race cars. It heat shrinks just like window tint, but it adds 4 layers of protection and you're able to stack on top should you need more layers. This right here is our gloss carbon fiber PPF, as I mentioned earlier. If you look on this F1 edition Aston Martin Vantage, it is real carbon fiber here on the side mirror. Compare that with the carbon fiber PPF TPU that we have up here. Very realistic. I guarantee you if I put it side by side, people wouldn't be able to tell the difference.
The Candy Fence line is going to focus on really deep, rich colors, high pigments, textured finishes. So as you can see on this GT3 RS, we're gonna go ahead and be doing live demos. And what they're doing right now is with Candy Fence, we're really focusing on the easeability of install. So the adhesive is going to be a dry install. And they are doing this entire hood with PPF as a dry install. So you no longer have to have your slip solution. You no longer have to have a rinse solution, gel, or anything like that. You're going to be installing very, very, very much like a PVC or a dry apply vinyl would be. Very, very repositionable. And you can see here as they're squeegeeing, you know, they're going to get a little bit of trapped air and they're going to press it right out with HEXIS's hex press pattern for their adhesive. Super, super easy to release air.
Let's swing over to the vinyl side of our SEMA booth. This product here is our new innovation to the HEXIS product catalog. This right here is showcasing the Daytona Blue HX1 series. This is a different cast PVC that we've constructed, layered with a different top coat that we have to make it more stain resistant. And we also have a different adhesive to be more repositionable. It's still air release, still dry apply. And also the last feature is a PET liner. All of that paired together gives you a very super gloss, no orange peel finish on the film. If you swing over here to the side mirror and the roof, you'll see that this is our HX1 Gloss Black. Again, zoom right on in, you'll see how reflective and how glossy that film is.
Hey, I'm Matt here with HEXIS at SEMA 2025. I'm one of our certified installers. I got my hands on some of the new HX1 Alpine Gray Super Gloss. We're gonna go ahead, we're gonna give it a shot. It's got a new top coat. It's got a different adhesive that should make it a lot more repositionable, less tacky. It's obviously got a very nice high gloss finish. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna give it a shot and see how it feels. Okay, so first impressions, it does have a new PET liner on it. Keeps the film nice and stiff. This film is 4 mils thick. It's got a little bit of cold stretch. It's a little cooler in here. This definitely, at least initially, feels like it's got a much lower tack. And because it is 4 mils thick, it does take the heat very fast, so that's nice. Oh yeah, now you can see that high gloss. It looks like you haven't lost any gloss, which is very nice. All right, so that is considered overstretched by most standards. Let's see how everything looks. I hardly even see a glue line. Gloss looks the same. Stone's nice, man. I'm not gonna lie, that is my personal opinion.
So as you see here, it's very reflective, very nice. We've already launched 10 colors and we're working on bringing you more. Let's swing over to the Ferrari 458 where we're showcasing and demoing the new Ouvea Blue Gloss. This is the new color that's going to be added to our HX 20000 series that you're going to be seeing and have available very soon. And if you look at the skin tack wall, we've got all the new colors and existing colors on display for you to see, touch, and feel. Now let's swing over to the skin plate. This is a great product to have in your showroom to show your customers all the available colors that we have available to you and to them. And coming over to the skin tag color change marketing table, we've got your swatch book here, over 175 different colors, color charts, the nano serum on the HX1 to show you how well the ceramic coating works, mini hood display, as well as new color chart for the HX1 series. Here we have the Shag Tools line. These tools are specifically catered and tailored for you as a PPF installer, a vinyl installer, and or a window tint installer. And last but not least, here's the Whole Shot series. This is a printable film with extreme tack and air release for dry application that'll stick to low surface energy, just like the plastic fairings on a motocross bike. You can use this on jet skis, on boats, on high traffic areas that take a lot of damage, as well as skid steers, tractors, and protecting really anything that it really needs to stick and stay permanently. So to give you a quick rundown, the XT print can take solvent, eco-solvent, latex UV. You pair that up with any of our laminates that can range from 11 mil to 19 mil thick.
So much for joining us. We look forward to seeing you next year. Stay tuned to see what HEXIS has coming in 2026.
Hey everybody, I'm here with Clement Mathieu, CEO of the HEXIS Group Global. He's here, he's been here for the past 3 days, and I've got a few questions for you if you don't mind. Number one, what do you think of the show?
Show is good. You did a good job, guys. From America, the booth is awesome. I think it's one of the best we had.
Well, thank you for that. So now, industry-wide, what do you think? Where do you think the industry is headed now that you've been at the show for the past 3 days? You've walked around, you saw a lot of new innovations and products. Where do you think our industry is headed now?
I would just make a focus on what we did, and very proud also about our team in RIG, because when I see the two products on the car in front of me, it's like amazing, super glossy, flat in terms of PVC wrapping product, but on the other side, can defense and TPU is also beautiful. So I love it, and of course there is competition and we have to compare to the other, but yeah, I think we came with something very boom.